Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add VPN configuration on iPhone. First, open your settings. And then here you'll see VPN. Turn it on. From here, search VPN. And then tap on the first one. Now, scroll down and then tap on VPN and device management. As you can see in here, VPN is not yet connected. So tap on that and then tap on add VPN configuration. Now you just need to fill this up. Of course, the description, server, remote ID. For authentication purposes, you need to put your username and password. And then once you're done, tap on Done on the upper right part of the screen. And that's how to add VPN configuration on iPhone. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.